Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's just a random video na I just don't want to waste my makeup. So I'm filming this right now, and just by thinking about it, I don't know if I have or had a video like this before, but I think wala pa. So yeah, this will be my first ever what's in my bag here in my YouTube channel. And before we start, I'd like to invite you guys to please follow me on Instagram. It's Christina_Mireni, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Christine Mireni. You just have to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so every time I have a new upload, it will notify you. Sorry if I don't have that much energy. I think I need to drink water. And I hope it's okay for you guys, my lighting right now. I'm super lazy to set up my ring light. So, I'm just using my light here sa room, and then my vanity, and then one more white light right there. So, yeah, without further ado, let's proceed to what's inside my bag. Yes, this is my MCM bag. This was given or gifted by my habibi. Thank you to Jay for gifting me this. I love it so much. And this is my second one already. This is a small one. Yeah. And it's a backpack. Before, I'm not fan of a backpack. For some reason, I always have a handbag with me, a purse. But when I had Janine,
I started wearing her diaper bag, and it's a backpack. And then sa pocket nun, dun ko lang nilalagay yung lipton ko or powder, etc. Because struggle is real. Pag talaga nanay ka na, you can't really bring bag like the way you used to. Because you're carrying a baby and then you have a bag. It's just too much. But now that Janine is bigger, I don't bring that much. She still have a baby bag, a backpack, but Jay is the one who carries it.
So, I can have my own backpack, my personal backpack that I have all my stuff. And yes, if you are fan or been watching a what's in my bag, I'm guilty about it. I watched couple of videos before, and I know some of them it's scripted, they cleaned everything inside before they film, but this one untouched. Don't know what's inside. The last time I checked or cleaned this bag was like 3 months ago, so it's really messy inside. So yeah, without further ado, let's proceed to what's inside my bag. So let's start with the main pocket, and I'm just gonna grab whatever I grabbed it first. So I have a notebook here. This is the notebook that I use for my baking. I put everything here, like the orders, recipes, and random receipts right there. So maybe, yeah. See, banana muffin, Graham ball, something like that. So I don't have to put it in my phone because I always forget whenever I put it in my phone. Who likes to write it instead? Next is my comb from Drunk Elephant, my detangler comb that I only use when I have the mood to comb my hair. Next is eggs from Easter. Janine, Easter egg. Look. It used to have money there. I don't know what happened to the money. And another one. See, I told you it's just a random stuff. Next is my cologne. This is from Baby Bench, Cotton Candy. I love this so much. And I use this for Janine as well. Yan. And another one, Johnson's Baby Cologne. This is the Slide Playtime Collection. Yes, I have a lot of cologne in my bag. I don't know why. I just want to carry them. And I always want to smell good. And here is my favorite Bath and Body Works cologne or mist right now. This is the 1 in a Million. It's a dupe for Michael Kors perfume. I'm not sure which one, but I have one sample one before from Michael Kors, and you know it's expensive. And when I tried this, I was like, oh my god, it reminds me so much of that Michael Kors perfume. So you guys should try it if you want, you know. Oh, it smells so good. Next is my Kate Spade wallet, and I have a Fitness 19 card when I used to go to the gym. And when you open it up, I have like bunch of cards, my debit card, my Visa card, my medical card, random cards, Venmo card, receipts and some cash, more receipts, care card. It looks beat up because it's an old wallet, a gift from my mom. Next is an earphone. Whenever I play PUBG, this is my earphone. And a random for a charger, but this is not mine. I know this is my dad. When we went to the hospital, I put it in my purse, but I forgot to give it back to him. And oh, Laneige, the scoop for the skincare. I don't know why it's there, but yeah. Told you it's random. Okay. Ooh, more egg. I think Janine put it here. This is a real egg that I emptied for Janine to paint last Easter day. But yeah, she put it in my purse. It says, I love Papa. And another Easter egg, empty one. And it's Janine, for sure. Another comb, my second comb. Toy! Ano to? Hello? Walkie-talkie. Janine's walkie-talkie. Hello? But she's not gonna answer because she's not here in the house right now. Why have that? Napkin. Just in case. Oh, here. See? It's two. One for me and one for Janine. CVS Honey Lemon Menthol Cough Suppressant. This was from 2 months ago when I got sick. So this is the one that I have. And sore throat and cough lozenges. This was from 2 months ago as well. Look, when I got sick. Lego. Mommy na talaga. Piece of Lego, half egg, a Sharpie for my notebook. Another, couple hairs, Lego, tape. No more. Another piece of Lego. Comb for my, for Janine's baby alive. And a gum. Bubble gum. And look, it's empty. And let's check this side. Oh, it's a card from my old work. My dad found this when we cleaned my room, and he handed to me one time. And he was like, you'll be surprised what I found in the trash before I totally put them away. It's a card that I forgot about and has $50 inside. That's a bonus, Christmas bonus from my work. My favorite that keeps me relaxed, Tiger Balm Red Extra Strength Pain Relieving Ointment. Whenever I feel stressed, I just smelled it, and when I have a headache, I put it in my temple and I'm okay. So this is my saving grace beside Tylenol. And alcohol, our favorite alcohol from the Philippines. This is the Casino 70% Solution Femme, the pink one. All my favorite facial spray, Evian, yung tatak niya. Ooh, my glasses. And couple dollars from my bake sale. And empty. Let's check this compartment. This is a good content, so I can clean my bag. I have excuse to clean my bag. Sunglasses from MVMT. I partnered with them a long time ago. It's really comfortable too. So it's empty. Yay! Let's see the side pocket if it's empty too or has something. Oh, keys. Room keys and a Kylie keychain. Empty as well. So let's look for what's inside the front pocket. Oh, my ID from the Japanese Food Culture Association. It says media influencer Christine Mireni. Another roll-on peppermint aroma guru. I'm not a fan of it. I just bought it from 99 cents or $3. I'm not happy about it. The smell is not. My favorite lipstick. This is Marc Jacobs in the shade 206 Dashing. If you guys wanted to know, this is my favorite one. I like the color. I own like 3 the same color. Oh, more pens. Yay. 2 pens. And a toy. So yes, empty too. So yes, that is it. That's it for my bag. I have a sanitizer here from Bath and Body Works. And when I went to the hospital, my ID. Let's remove it. When my dad went to the hospital, I visit him all the time. And yes, that is it for this video. I'll show you my mess. And here are the mess inside my bag look like when it's out. And that's my purse. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I'm sorry if my lighting is kind of off. But yeah, I just wanted to film a video because I don't want to waste my makeup before I remove it. I just want to make content. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so we stay connected. And as always, see you in my next video. Bye! Stay safe, guys!